Today I will discuss about lightweight upright vacuum. Product link in the description below. Shark ZU561 Navigator Lift-Away Speed Self-Cleaning Brushroll Lightweight Upright Vacuum with HEPA Filter, Red Peony. Self-cleaning brush roll for powerful pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. Use as an upright vacuum for powerful floor and carpet cleaning. Or for more portability, detach the pod to go into lift-away mode to easily clean above floor areas like furniture and stairs. Anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter trap over 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Suction control slider to manage suction power from hard floors to carpets. An easily removable, bagless dust cup for quick emptying. Extra tools included for tight spaces, stubborn pet hair, and upholstery. Includes duster crevice tool, hair removal multi-tool, wide upholstery tool. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.